Hello and welcome to this Forex Preview at xm.com. We'll be discussing the upcoming PMI data out of the Eurozone and the potential reaction in the Euro. I'm Maria Pachurdes, and joining me is lead investment analyst Rafi Boyadjian. So Rafi, over the past 3 months, the Eurozone economy has been showing signs of improvement, and the composite PMI rose in January. What are we expecting from the flash PMIs for February, which will be released on Tuesday at 900 GMT?
Well, Maria, as always, the flash PMIs will be very closely watched. As you said, we did see that uptick in January, and we are expecting to see a further, very modest uptick for the month of February as well, at least in the composite PMI. So for now, it does appear that the Eurozone economy has avoided recession. Of course, in the summer last year, we did see the impact of the energy crisis really starting to bite as far as economic activity is concerned. But then towards the end of the year, we did see that rebound. The question is, how much of a recovery are we going to get? And have we really avoided recession, or is it just simply the fact that the recession has been delayed? We could yet see the energy crisis worsening later this year. And then even without further surge in energy prices, what are the prospects for growth? Because we may have avoided recession, but what are we looking at? So it's quite likely that we could see stagnation for the Eurozone economy, at least in 2023. Yes, we do have positives from the reopening of the Chinese economy and the fact that other economies also so far appear to be avoiding recession, but the European Central Bank is raising interest rates. We may well see Eurozone rates reaching 3.5%, if not higher. So there's a lot of uncertainties, a lot of risks. So the question really is, yes, maybe no recession for the time being, but we could still see growth stagnating.
Turning to the Euro now, can you tell us how it's been doing lately and how the ECB's stance might impact its direction going forward?
Well, it's really interesting with the Euro because we did actually see a strong correlation between the euro-dollar and the economic surprise indicator that's done by Citigroup. So basically, the euro traders were reacting to upside surprises in Eurozone data, and especially if you compare it to the upside surprises compared to the surprises in the US data. The question is, how much longer are we going to continue to see strong upside surprises in the economic numbers coming out of the Eurozone, particularly the PMI ones, because it may be hard to keep that up. And to an extent, we're already seeing, the upside surprises kind of leveling off, and in fact, lately, U.S. economic surprises in the U.S. data have been much bigger than the Eurozone, the upside differences in the Eurozone data, and that's why we're seeing the Euro kind of consolidating lately. So even if we were to get a solid set of PMI numbers on Tuesday, yes, that would support the Euro at the very least, maybe even boost it a little bit. But I think we may now be entering a consolidation phase as far as euro-dollar is concerned, and that may continue at least until we get at least a clearer idea as to which central bank is going to pause its rate hiking cycle first. Is it going to be the Fed, or is it going to be the ECB?
Rafi, thanks so much. And thanks for joining us for this Forex Preview at xm.com.